Welcome to Bike Zone, your ultimate destination for everything motorcycles. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated motorcycles of 2025, the Harley Davidson V-Rod. Known for its cutting-edge design, raw power, and unmistakable Harley Davidson attitude, the V-Rod has made quite an impression over the years. Let's explore the features, the performance, and what makes this 2025 model one of the most exciting bikes to hit the market. Design and aesthetics. Harley Davidson is known for its iconic designs, and the 2025 V-Rod is no exception. The bike combines modern lines with classic Harley styling. The sleek, aggressive stance is designed to grab attention, with sharp contours, a bold front end, and an aerodynamic body that screams performance. The front headlight, now a sleeker LED unit, maintains that iconic Harley look while improving visibility. The frame has been carefully crafted from lightweight materials, which contributes to a reduced overall weight, making the V-Rod more agile and responsive in tight situations. Additionally, Harley offers an array of customizable paint jobs and trim options, allowing you to personalize the bike to your exact preferences. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Harley Davidson V-Rod is the newly revamped Revolution Max 1250T engine. This liquid-cooled V-twin engine is tuned for a perfect balance between power and efficiency, delivering an impressive 150 horsepower. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling tight corners, this engine ensures smooth acceleration and a thrilling ride. The Revolution Max engine is a major step forward from the previous V-Rod engines, offering greater torque and more responsive handling. Harley Davidson has tuned the bike's suspension and electronics to work in perfect harmony with this new power plant, offering improved rider control, stability, and comfort on any road. Technology and features. The 2025 V-Rod isn't just about raw power, it also incorporates state-of-the-art technology to enhance the riding experience. The bike comes equipped with a 6.8-inch TFT display, offering all the vital riding information at a glance. From navigation to ride modes, everything is integrated into this high-resolution display, which adapts to different lighting conditions. Speaking of ride modes, the V-Rod now features 3 customizable settings: Sport, Touring, and Rain, to adjust power delivery, traction control, and suspension damping. This allows riders to tailor the bike's performance based on their riding style or the current weather conditions. Comfort and handling. Harley Davidson's engineers have gone to great lengths to ensure that the 2025 V-Rod doesn't just perform well but is also a joy to ride for long distances. The ergonomics of the seat, handlebars, and foot controls have been optimized to offer a more comfortable riding position, especially for riders looking for extended touring capabilities. The redesigned suspension system offers greater comfort without compromising the bike's sportiness. Whether you're carving through twisty mountain roads or cruising down an open highway, the V-Rod offers a perfect balance of performance and comfort. The improved suspension system, combined with a lower center of gravity, ensures greater stability and precise cornering, even at higher speeds. The legacy of the V-Rod. The V-Rod first hit the streets back in 2001, quickly becoming a favorite for riders who craved a modern Harley Davidson with unmatched performance. Unlike many of Harley's cruisers, the V-Rod featured a high-performance liquid-cooled engine, marking a significant departure from the air-cooled engines that Harley was known for. Over the years, the V-Rod has evolved, and now the 2025 V-Rod is pushing the limits even further. This new model carries on the legacy of boldness, blending power, performance, and style. It's a fusion of Harley's tradition with modern engineering that creates something truly special. Pricing and availability. Harley Davidson has always positioned the V-Rod as a premium motorcycle, and the 2025 model is no different. The base price starts around $19,995, with higher-end trims and customization options driving the price up. While it's certainly an investment, the V-Rod delivers an unparalleled riding experience that is worth every penny. The bike will be available in select Harley Davidson dealerships by the spring of 2025, with pre-orders expected to begin earlier in the year. For those looking for something truly special, limited edition models with unique finishes and additional performance upgrades will also be available. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley Davidson V-Rod is a masterpiece of modern engineering and classic design. With its powerful engine, sleek aesthetics, cutting-edge technology, and superior handling, it's clear that Harley Davidson has taken the V-Rod to a whole new level. Whether you're a long-time Harley enthusiast or a newcomer looking for the ultimate riding experience, the 2025 V-Rod promises to deliver. Thanks for tuning into Bike Zone. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Harley Davidson V-Rod, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all the latest motorcycle news and reviews. Keep riding, and we'll see you in the next video.